Welcome students. In this video I am going to explain you about length, volume and capacity and measuring of time and mass. Now let's start with length. Students, we know that the SI unit of length is meter. But for far distance between two places is measured in kilometer. And the thickness of any object is measured in millimeter. Now next important topic is what precaution should be taken while measuring with scale. Now here we are. First of all, the scale should be kept very close and parallel to the length of object. And next point, keep the eyes perpendicular to the point to be measured. And in this way, we can get accurate answer for the measuring. Now next topic is volume and capacity. Students, look in this vessel. Here, the space occupied by water is called volume. It means the space occupied by any object is called volume, and the volume of liquid required to fill this vessel is called capacity. And SI unit of volume is cubic meter, and the device which used to measure the volume is called measuring cylinder. Now, if you want to take out the volume of cuboid, you have to use this formula. Here, the volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. It means to get the volume of cuboid, you have to multiply its length, breadth and height. Similarly, for cube also use this formula, length into breadth into height. But in the cube, all the sides are equal. So that is why the volume of cube is equal to length into length into length. Then the next topic is mass. Mass means weight. Students, the mass of any object is the measure of the amount of matter in it. And the SI unit of mass is kilogram, which denoted by small kg. And the devices which are used to find mass are beam balance, physical balance and electronic balance. Students, beam balance is normally used by the shopkeepers and vegetable sellers to find mass. But for the little quantity of mass like gold and medicine, the goldsmith and pharmacists used physical balance. And nowadays electronic balance is also used for both the work by the vegetable sellers and by the goldsmith and pharmacists. Now next topic is measurement of time. In olden days, sundial, hourglass are used to measure time. And sundial is still present at Jantar Mantar in Delhi and Jaipur, and it is built by Maharaj Jai Singh II. Here, people can see the time with the help of sunlight by the forming shadow, and this could not be worked after sunset. And next is hourglass. In hourglass, people can see time by the looking the sand falling from the upper vessel to lower vessel in a fixed duration of time. But nowadays, modern clock and pendulum clock, stop clock, digital clock are used. Pendulum clock. It is used to measure periodic events which repeats after fixed time period. Stop clock. The clock which can be switched on and off as our will is called stop clock. And next, digital clock. The clock which shows the time in numeric figure is called digital clock. Students, hope you will understand all of this. Thank you.